Hello everybody. Today I'm gonna show you guys how to change the front differential fluid on Porsche Cayenne 2014 year model. This is the GTS trim. Car has 105,000 miles on the clock. So let's get the job done and see how dirty and nasty that fluid is. All right, we got the car lifted a little bit. All right, so here we are underneath the car, the vehicle. We got the front tires right here. This is your oil pan. You go further down, and this is your front differential. This is your drain plug, and over here we have your fill plug. The first thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna open up the fill plug. You're gonna make sure it's open before you drain your fluid. This way you don't have a problem later on in case you can't get this open. So let's get it to work. We got the front. This is the front this way. And this is our oil pan. And the differential is right here next to it. This is your drain plug. And over here, I already have my hexagon key ready to undo the fill plug. So here we go. I've taken the plug out. So make sure you clean your plug before you put it back in. I could only imagine kind of gunk because it's inside the front differential. I'm probably gonna change the fluid at least 2 more times. So this one more change. So this change plus one more change plus one more. And then I think we should be able to see, we should be able to have a clean fluid inside the differential. All right. I've removed the fill plug, which is located right here. Now it's time for a magnificent drain plug. Okay, let's remove the drain plug. Okay, after draining the fluids, and now it's time to fill it up. You fill it up all the way to the fill plug, and once it starts dripping out, then you know this is the level is full. And like I said, I'm gonna flush this front differential a couple times, at least 2 more times, sorry. So in total of three fluid changes. And I'm gonna use, as of now, a Valvoline full synthetic 75W 90 GL5 rated gear oil. It was very cheap, $14. the heart level. Now it's time to put the plug on this thing. All right, YouTube. So I call it a job done so far for now. Probably gonna do, like I said, gonna do this 2-3 more times until I get a fully clear fluid. Thank you so much. And in my next video, I'm gonna do the rear differential and also the transfer case following the transmission fluid change on this 8-speed automatic. Thank you so much for watching, sticking around. Comment below if you have any questions regardless of the fluids or what else you need.